Hey guys, it's Mrs. Rest here, and I must say I'm feeling a little under the weather, so I'm making this hoping that I won't have to use it, but if I do, please follow your directions, okay? So today we are supposed to be reviewing for our social studies test coming up on Friday. Your study guide should be done. If you need to go back and check the answers for your study guide, maybe you were absent yesterday, maybe you missed something, then it is posted on yesterday's post, the answer key. Today what I'd like you to do is pair rotation first, so the sub will divide you up. Half of you will be seated and you guys are the quizzers with your study guides out. The other half of you will be standing in front of the person quizzing you and you are the quizzee. And for 1 minute, that person seated should be quizzing you about our study guide, and then the sub should say rotate and everybody should move one person over. At the end of about 10 minutes, the person seated should switch places with the person standing. Make sure that you get the study guide of the person that you're quizzing. And we repeat the process for another 10 minutes, and then at the end of time, everybody needs to return the study guides to the original owner and take a seat. So that should take you about 20 minutes, but I like doing that because it gives you a chance to hear the questions and answers over and over again, which means less time for studying at school. The next thing I'd like you to do is complete Quizlet, which I will post on Edmodo's post for today. You're going to want to do it in the index cards. So let me show you right here. If I go to Quizlet, it says Ancient Egypt Review. Click on that, and you'll want to do the flashcards. And a series of rulers from the same family. Okay, you click it, Dynasty, and then you would hit the card again. So ideally what I'd like to see you do is do this 2 times through by yourself, just so once again you're hearing the information and you won't have to do it later. If time remains, let's go ahead and Google Kahoot, and you would click on this one that says getkahoot.com. Now some of you may have made Kahoots before because you're in Mrs. Friesen's class, but if not, you can sign up for free. You would put that you are a student, okay? Then you would say our school, Piper Middle School. I just make up a birthday at this point. Okay, here we go. 2000. Okay, that sounds good. Your username, guys, stick with your Edmodo username. Your email is your Gmail account through school, and your password is always going to be your lunch code plus the number 1. So whatever you use for Edmodo, that's what you need to do. And then once you get into Kahoot, you can play around with it, but what I'd like you to do is create, say, 6 to 8 questions from your Egypt study guide that you could then share with someone else tomorrow when I get back. Okay, so that should give you not only plenty of time to review, but some practice using technology, practice with working with others. I'm hoping that I will be there tomorrow. I plan on it. Please Edmodo me if you have any questions, okay? Bye.